So Justin, SVT, and I have been having a great time. We've really enjoyed watching graveyard cars lately. We love it in the autumn time where it starts to cool off a little bit. And even though they're mainly Mopar and Dodge and Plymouth, it's still fun to watch that and see how it applies to the other Fords and the originality, the shaker hoods on our Mach 1s, the Cobras, build numbers, and everything like that. So we're having a great time just enjoying the cars, mainly earlier in the morning when it's still cool out, and going for some fun drives. So just keep a lot of that in mind as we go through this video and we look at Screaming Yellow Cobra, one of 299 coupes made for 04. We're looking at Justin's competition Orange Cobra, one of 281 coupes made in 2004. The Mach 1s with their shakers, and there's a lot of cool stuff. This is called the Strap Tank. It's one of my favorite places to go because of all the decor that's inside. You got old gas station signs and a biplane and all kinds of cool stuff. So Justin and I had a dinner there, and it was just fun to hang out, drive around, and enjoy the T56 Magnum that's now in the Cobra. It's breaking in pretty well, and so we're enjoying driving the cars and enjoying not having to work on them for a minute. So check the video description. I'll put the playlist that has all the installs we've been doing, the RXT twin disc, the T56 Magnum itself, some of the other videos that, even though they're older, they're still very relevant with the supercharger installs, gears, and timing chain guides, all kinds of stuff for the Mustangs.
Court. Then the destination is on your left.
This is so beautiful here. morning, still cool enough for a walk or a sniff. In your case, you like to go for a sniff. All right, we're off for a fun adventure here. We got the girls with the bike trailer. All right, well, that was a fun bike ride. A little hot, but we did it. Got everything all strapped down.
Yeah, it was weird. You picked up more bits than I went through several of my own. It was like turning it blue, you know?
Yeah. Every time I kept overheating them and burning them up.
Yeah, so I got